Ho ho ho, it's time to deck the halls with PLR. Hi there, I'm Richard Butler, Director of Jolliness and Christmas Spirit here at PLR.me. And if this is the first time watching one of my videos, let me tell you what they're all about. Each and every month, we provide you with a content marketing calendar that details all of the holidays in that month and gives you a list of and a link to the relevant resources within the PLR.me resource library. Each and every month, I create a video highlighting a couple of the holidays and highlighting specific resources that you can use. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Now, December is a really important month because, to state the obvious, it is the last month of the year. This is the last week of the month, and this is the last year of this decade. So this is really important, and this is something that we can use to engage our tribe. Now, this week, being our Christmas special, you will see some jolliness and some joviality. So let's get serious. Now, since this is a very serious time of the year, and because it's the end of a decade, I thought to mark the occasion I would wear my best shirt, tie, and blazer. Guys, you should have known that I would do something a little bit wacky and crazy. On the two outfits, I won't be doing any more costume changes, but the two outfits are part of my Christmas jumper collection. Yes, I have a Christmas jumper collection. Now, let's talk about Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. The run up to the holidays and during the holidays is a very tough time for many people because there's so much pressure on people to exchange gifts, to go out to various social events, etc. And it's not just Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but it's those days in between and running up to and a little bit after New Year's. So our first resource is ideal to share with your customers. It's called Frugal Living during the holidays. So you may think that people won't be checking their emails over Christmas, but of course, everyone takes a sneak peek. While other coaches may be relaxing during this time, now is your opportunity to send out this email about frugal living during the holidays and help your tribe save a little bit of money if they can. Now make sure that you send them out a Christmas message and say thank you very much for all of your support, and I just want to make sure that you are getting through the Christmas okay. Here's a free resource for you. And you may attach this to the actual email. You're probably like me that you love to watch the Christmas movies. Even though you've seen them time and time again, there's still something magical about watching them. But did you know that there are actually lessons to be learned from these movies? Well, surprise and engage your audience with our next resource. 13 life lessons from classic holiday movies and TV specials. Now this is particularly engaging because people are probably watching these movies, and when they receive this email, they're going to read it and watch the movies more intently to see these lessons. Now, December 26th in many European countries is actually either Boxing Day or St. Stephen's Day, which is another holiday. It's also an important holiday in North America, and it's KWANZAA Day. Now, KWANZAA Day is an African American holiday dealing with history and culture, and it lasts for 7 days. So you could actually just focus on this holiday and then publish content over the 7 days. Now, each day deals with a different theme, and I think a particularly interesting theme to deal with for your audience is life purpose, because we're coming up to the end of December, the end of the year, and the end of the decade. So many people are probably wondering, what am I going to do next year? So all of this can build up for a New Year's special that you may want to promote. And we have a great resource, 7 tips to find your purpose. And as I said, this could be the building blocks to your New Year's special that you will offer your tribe. But you know, to find your purpose, you really need time to reflect. And the problem is, when do we get time? Because there's so many interruptions. Well, December 27th is No Interruptions Day, a day that you should focus on yourself and focus on your business. And for your tribe, they should be reflecting upon what they have achieved this year and what they will hope to achieve next year. So today you could talk about time management, about planning your day, and you could share our resource, Be the Master of Your Day. And we have 6 simple strategies to help you be more productive and efficient. Now, who doesn't want to be more productive and efficient? And again, because of the time of the year, you can really work this with your tribe so that they understand that this is an important resource. Make sure that you have this branded with your logo and website. And don't worry, if you're a monthly or yearly member, you get free access to our PDF brander. It allows you to brand your PDF with your logo and with your actual website URL. So a very handy tool. Oh, don't forget to check out our bundles. I'm only showing you one resource of many available each day. And by buying a bundle, you get all of the resources for that day at a discounted price and in one zip file. Now, while everybody else is talking about December 31st and New Year's Eve, why don't you change things up a bit and talk about Make Up Your Mind Day? You see, again, you are doing a pattern interrupt because your tribe, people on Facebook, they're expecting you to talk about New Year's Eve. But you say, don't forget, today is Make Up Your Mind Day. Or you could ask them, hey guys, what day is today? And they'll go, it's New Year's Eve. And you'll go, no, it's Make Up Your Mind Day. And it is so important to make up your mind today to make sure that you have the right mindset to start with your New Year's resolutions or goals in 2020. Today you can share this wonderful resource, a proven process for making effective decisions, because this is one of the reasons why people procrastinate, because they don't know how to make an effective decision. And again, all of the resources I've provided you are leading us up to the new year and helping you towards a bigger ticket item. For example, a webinar series that you may do, a personal goal setting that you may do individually with clients, etc. So start thinking, what am I going to do with this content and what am I going to present my clients with or my tribe with in the new year? So talking about making decisions, have you made the decision to become a member of PLR.me? Sorry? You're still not a member of PLR.me? You don't know how? Oh my goodness. The best thing you can do today is join PLR.me. It's completely free. There's a link on the screen, PLR.me. Go there. All you need to do is fill in your name and email address and we'll set up a free account for you. And each and every month, we will give you 2 free credits for you to download some of our resources. Before I return to the Christmas festivities, there's only 2 more things to let you know about. First of all, from Ronnie, Chantal, myself, and all of the team at PLR.me, we want to thank you for your support this year, and we're so excited for 2020 because we have some amazing resources planned. And the second thing is make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can be updated on content marketing videos, training, and videos about new resources that we've just released. I'll see you in 2020.